Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's Any Day Deals. We're going to be doing the spend 30, save 10 on your next shopping trip. Let's look at that coupon. This is the coupon. You will get 10 on your next DG shopping trip, and it also calls for you to use on your 5 off 25 day. And here are all the products that match. So let's get right into it. First, you're going to come right here to the Febreze plug-in, that scent booster. That's $10. You get a $5 coupon. Then you're going to come over here to the Dawn spray. Now, hint and words to the wise. The refill does not attach. You need to use only the spray nozzle, okay? You'll get $3.99 off when you buy 2 of the Dawns. Please pick up the spray nozzles. Now, the next thing we're going to come to over here is tried and true Febreze at $3.25 right here. You're going to grab 2 of the Febreze, and they are originally $3.25. They are on sale 2 for $6.50. You get a $3.30 coupon, making them $3.20 for 2, or $1.69, I believe, each. Then come right here. Now, Head and Shoulders, guys, that little small one for $4.50, that's the one with the coupon that also attaches. So you're going to do these 6 products right here. So let's start scanning, okay? Let me flip everything over so that I'll have a good scanning view. And guys, I am doing a overtalk. I am so congested. This is the Febreze plug, $10. And here are the coupons. Now you have one that says save $10 on your shopping trip. And then you have a $5 off coupon. It is a manufactured. Only manufactured coupons will match with this deal, okay? Not another Dollar General. Now we're going to do the Dawn. And as you can see, you get that $10. And then it is $3.99 on 2, a manufacturer. Do not get the refill. It does not attach, okay? That's confirmed by like 4 people that already called me and told me they had a blunder. Now, this is the Head and Shoulder at $4.50. You're going to get $1.75 off, and then it also attaches to the $10. So you have next the Febreze spray for $3.25. Also that $10, and that $3.30 also attaches. Manufactured coupons, guys. Please make sure you remember that. Now let's do the math. 10 for the Febreze plug, the booster, and then $5 for each Dawn. Then we're going to go $4.50 for the Head and Shoulders and $3.25 each for the Febreze. It's actually going to take us to $31. Now, the first thing you're going to do is start taking off your manufactured coupons. Take your 5 off the Febreze. Take your $3.99 off the Dawn. Take your $1.75 off of the Head and Shoulders. Then take your $3.30 off of the Febreze cans. $16.96. Now that's steep for us, guys. You know we go cheaper than that. But once you made it to that 30, you are down to $16. Once you take your $10 off, so take your 10 off, $6.96. Now that's usually what we spend on our 5 off 25 day, okay? Great deal. Now divide that by 6, $1.16 each, guys. That's how much you'll be paying. Now let's get to some substitutes. You can pick up this Crest toothpaste. By the way, guys, the freebie is not attaching anymore. It wasn't attaching to that. That would have been awesome to grab and then get that as a freebie, but it's not attaching. So that is the $3 one. And you do have a $1 coupon. And it is a manufacturer. Then you have the 2 Febreze cans. You have the 2 Swiffers. We're going to scan the Swiffers. I actually like this deal better, guys, because it's the Swiffer. $5.50, and you have a $3 off and a $10 coupon, so vice versa. And then when you do the math, you're going to do the 10 on the Febreze. We did the 3 for the toothpaste already, the $5.50 for each of the wipes, and then the $3.25 take you to $30.50. So we're 50 cents less than the other deal, guys. Take your $1 off the toothpaste, 5 off the Febreze, 3 off of the plugs and the 330. $18.20. Now we're still in our 5 off 25 realm. Now, I made a mistake and divided before then, so let's go back to $18.20. Take your $10 off. You need to take the 10 off. So let's get to it. $8.20. Divide that by 6 products, $1.36. If I'm going to pay $1.36 for those Swiffer wet mops, I'm fine. Here's another substitute. This Venus right here is $6. It's a $3 high value coupon with that, guys. That is $6. Go down those. That's $10 attaches to it, and that $3 manufactured coupon also attaches. Okay, now let's get to a BOGO deal. These are the Breeze Maxi Pads that I was looking for. They are $4.50. And they are BOGO. Buy one, get one free. So $2.25 each, guys. Let's do the quick math on that. $4.50, divide that by 2, $2.25 each. That's an awesome deal to donate, guys. I usually grab these deals right here so that I can donate them. Okay, let's get to some food deals, because we can't eat laundry detergent, and Don Show can't eat Febreze spray. These Tombstone sticks are on sale, 4 for $4. Let's scan them. $125 originally. They're 4 for $4. That's their offer. That's a good deal right there. Now you can use your $10 on that. You use your $10 back on anything. $3.95 for the Grand Biscuits, but is a dollar off 2 coupon. And then we have a offer 2 for $5. So they are 2 for $4. That is an awesome deal right there. Just like they did with the waffles last week. Now let's get to some stock ups. Prepper Pantry time. These are the tuna creations are $1. And they have the creations. They also have the chicken ones. I don't eat fish, so that would be, I would get these. This is great for a stock up pantry deal. Their original one is $165, so I would go with the name brand one at this time. And you know I'm not name brand Laura. Now, I don't like sardines, but they are mentioned. They are 4 for $4. Then the Ben's original ready rice, the Jasmine, they're 2 for $4, guys. Like, it's some awesome deals up in here you can stack up on. And that Spanish rice for them is $1. Okay. So a lot of the deals are good. Now, these top ramens, the 6-packs are 2 for $2.50 or $1.25 each. I think that's kind of like the going deal. Now, here's a hot deal right here. The Chips Ahoy are $3.75. They on sale 3 for $9. You have a $3 off coupon, making them 3 for $6 or $2 each. They do attach to that spend 9 save 3, guys, and then they are 3 for $9. So that makes them 3 for $6 or $2 each, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share. Bye.